Marc Duvilla. I'm a biodiversity project manager at the LPO Normandy, a French association acting for biodiversity in three raises: knowledge, protection and awareness. And we would like to participate to the QLA project with GSM employees to highlight the work with GSM. My topic of QLA project is a co-creation with the GSM employees, an educational kit in the relationship between change climates, causes, effects, means to struggle and biodiversity since was the activity of quarries. And we already worked with GSM for 10 years, and we would like to create a concrete tool for recognize the work in common. The objective of our QLA project is to create a support to raise awareness among a large audience of this topic, large audience, scholar, university, because I think it's very important for all the nature to do that. And we already work with GSM for some file follow-ups, and we would like to make something concrete, really concrete. The result of our project is eco-responsive recycle case with 7 educational games. They are versatile. We can use in France or in the world after an adaptation of local fauna flora. The future of our project, we hope a massive duplication and of this case, and they will be used so much as possible. Biodiversity is very important because it's just the essential for future existence of humanity, of course, and I like to observe it.